In this video, I'm going to set up a poll. To start, I'll click Create New Promotion, select Survey or Poll, and toggle Poll. I'll give my poll a title, but I'll leave the prize field blank since this will be a quick poll just to get an opinion. And I'll click Create Promotion. The poll setup has 3 tabs: Results, Questions, and Settings. I'll start with the Results tab. Polls are unique in that they ask for the participants' information after they've shared their opinion. You can require this information from the participants in order to see the public's results. I'll start by adding my sponsor. Since I only have one sponsor for this promotion, I'll leave the columns at 1, but I can have up to 3 and multiple sponsor rows. I'll add a finish message with a call to action. I'll spend some time in the text editor to make the message look really nice. Next, I'll add a header image for my poll and adjust my theme color. Moving on, I'll decide what information I'd like to collect from the participant. By default, first name, last name, and email are pre-checked. I can also have participants opt into my emails as well as my sponsors. I click Show List Opt-in, add an opt-in list, give it a title, and connect it to their newsletter platform through Aptivada's integrations. On this page, I can decide how the results display after the participants have given their information. First, I'll click Show Users a summary of their results upon completion. Then I'll show statistics on answers from other users. If I've ran a few tests before this poll goes live, I can click the Reset All Responses button to give it a fresh start. That's pretty much it for our results page. Now let's ask the question. I'll add my first question and select multiple choice. Because this is more of a visual poll, I'm going to jump over to the grid format as opposed to the list format. I have 4 answers, so I'll add my other 2 answers now. My first choice will be robin eggs. My second choice will be chocolate bunnies. My third choice, jelly beans. And my fourth choice, the controversial peeps. Make sure you type in what's displayed in each image. This will come into play when you want to view the results. Because my header graphic already illustrates what this poll is about, I can remove the poll title by clicking on Settings and selecting Hide Title. I can add multiple questions with multiple answers, but since this is a quick poll, I'll just leave it at 1 question and 1 answer and add it to my website. Jumping back to the settings, I can set my schedule, edit my title if I need to, add a prize, and decide how many times a participant can make a submission. Under the notifications email field, I can add an email address here that will be notified every time somebody makes a submission. I can also edit my appearance settings, add fine print, add rules if necessary, along with some other options. Our poll is pretty much set up, but I'll focus on responder emails for a moment. Responder emails are a powerful tool. I can send an email based on a participant's response, and I can add as many responder emails as I'd like. So for instance, if a participant chooses jelly beans as their answer, I can add a condition that will send them an email based on that answer. I could say something like, "Thank you for taking our quiz. Did you know our sponsor has the best jelly beans in town? Visit your local store to get some." I could add another responder email and have it send based on the participant's answer of peeps. You get the picture. I can use the same logic for download filters, where I can get granular data based on conditions that I've set. This comes in handy if you or your sponsor wants an exclusive list of who answered what. Under publishing options, I can set my promo grid image and grab the necessary code to embed the poll on my website. After I've embedded it on my website, I'll come back with the URL where it will be live so that redirect traffic will be sent to that site. And if my site is mobile responsive, I'll select no. Under sharing options, I can add my Facebook image and add a call to action after I've shared the poll. Finally, I can preview my poll to make sure that everything looks correct. This poll looks good in more ways than one. And that's pretty much it for setting up a quick poll. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our helpful customer support team. Now it's your turn to create a poll.